Hello everyone, my name is Anton and I want to demonstrate one of the shiny new features that's been released in the Insider Build 0.10.7. It's going to be the second one here in the shiny new things where you can now click the command click on a tag in the tag pane, and this will kind of toggle the search filter. Instead of replacing the actual search that's there, it will append to it. So let me demonstrate what this really does. Okay, so we're in Obsidian now, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click on a search here, and I'm searching right now for these different characters that I have in here, which basically brings back a list of tasks that have not been completed. And let's say I want to do a search within this search. In order to do that and also leverage the tags to do this. So the search has already found its results based on this particular search here. And now if I want to fine grain that and say, well, only give me the ones that has the tag YouTube in it, I can command click that tag. And what it does, you see here, it appends to that search. So it gets everything with this beginning search statement plus the tag that I've selected over in the tag pane. Now this might seem really simple when you look at it, but this is a real awesome feature here that's been added to make it a lot easier to fine grain search things within Obsidian. Now the default action, if you don't hit the command key before you click on the tag, is to actually just replace everything in the search. So you can see here when I click on the tag, it brings back everything here. But if I was to go here, click the command key, then press the tag that I want, it brings back a more fine-grained result back from what I wanted. So there are some other things that's been added in these releases, but I thought this was one that warranted some demonstration and to kind of bring this one up to the surface to show you the power of this shiny new thing that's been added to this particular release. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And until the next time, have a nice day.